The black-capped lory, Lorius lory, is a striking, medium-sized parrot native to the rainforests of Papua New Guinea. Known for its vibrant plumage, it has a black head, a bright red body, and yellow accents on its wings and tail. These parrots are famous for their loud, raucous calls and high energy. They have a specialized diet mainly consisting of nectar, fruits, and flowers, which they access using their strong, brush-tipped tongues. Black-capped lories are social birds, often found in small flocks. In the wild, they face habitat loss due to deforestation, but they are also popular as pets, requiring a lot of attention and care due to their demanding nature.